Hi, everyone. My name is Dennis McGrath, and I am a fifth grade teacher at Brewer Community School in Brewer. I'm entering into my 13th year teaching there, all in fifth grade. I've also been the middle school baseball coach there for the past 10 years, and had been a basketball coach there as well. I live in Brewer with my wife of, ooh, boy, almost 18 years. And my 10-year-old daughter, she is actually going to be in fifth grade in the same school that I teach at. So, but will not have me. Um, we have two dogs, two mini dachshunds, a 7-year-old mini dachshund named Cooper and a 1-year-old dachshund named Bella. Um, we have all kinds of different hobbies. If you can see right behind me, I am a huge collector of 80s toys, Transformers in particular. Really, really love the Red Sox. Have my own little green monster here right at the house, which you probably will see in different videos throughout the course of the trimester, or the semester, I should say. And I have a master's degree in ed leadership, bachelor's degrees in business and in education, elementary education specifically. And that's about it. I look forward to having a chance to talk with all of you. Can't wait to see everyone and take care.